What's going on, guys? This is Eddie at RMC Miami doing a walk around video on our JZX100. Just gonna do our regular walk around, see the condition of the vehicle. We'll turn it on, hear it idle, give it a couple revs. Car's in really good condition, 104,000 actual kilometers. Runs and drives fantastic. Ice cold air conditioning. No accidents. No rust. Car's straight as an arrow. Drives really great. Interior is in fantastic shape. It's got the BN body kit on it. Looks awesome. Super aggressive. Excellent daily driver candidate. Interior, like I said, is in excellent condition. Look at those seats. Dash has no cracks. It's got an aftermarket Nardi steering wheel. Turbo timer. Super clean condition. Rear strut brace. Cusco front strut brace. Go ahead and turn it on. Turns right on. See there, 103,000 kilometers. I'll show you the engine bay and the trunk, which is both super clean. Have it. See the catch can there. HKS intake. No weird sounds. Cusco strut bar. Full body coilovers. It's got a HKS intercooler. Oversized oil cooler. Tons of maintenance as well. Car's been highly maintained. Look at this trunk area, is just fantastic. All the factory seams. Very rare to see it in this condition. Car looks so aggressive, I love it. If you have any question on this car or any other car, feel free to call me. I'm sure we'll do a driving video as well. Phone number is 305-527-6867. Follow us online at RMC Miami on Instagram. Our website is rmcmiami.com. And thanks for watching.